Get excited about the 2013 Scion FR-S. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this compact refuses to compromise. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: a tachometer, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.